If you're honest with yourself, you already know looks matter. People who look good get treated better, get more opportunities, and feel more confident. And if you're watching this video, you've probably seen tons of looks maxing content online already. But here's the truth. Most of that stuff is complicated and takes way too much effort. What I'm about to tell you today will take 20% of the energy but give you 80% of the results. These are the foundations of leveling up your appearance. What I'm about to give you is the guide you need to start from level 0. 1. Body. Most people don't look bad because of their face. They look bad because their body isn't in a healthy place. And look at the glow-up transformations of any creator online. The first thing they do is reduce their body fat. It instantly makes their jawline sharper, their face leaner, and their entire appearance cleaner. This is simple but powerful. Lose excess fat and build a bit of muscle. Just doing this, make your face look tighter, improve posture, change how clothes fit, and boost your confidence. You don't need to be shredded. Train 3 to 4 times a week, walk every day, stay active. This alone gives you one of the biggest glow-ups you can get. 2. Diet. You've heard this a million times, but it's still ignored. Your diet controls how you look. A poor diet affects your skin, your energy, your mood, and even your face structure over time. Processed food, too much sugar, not enough nutrients, all of this makes you look dull and tired. Your diet is the foundation of your body. Fix it, and your glow-up becomes automatic. Here's the simple rule. Eat real foods with all the nutrients your body needs. Protein, healthy fats, good carbs, vitamins, and minerals. And also add carrots in your diet. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which helps improve your skin tone and gives you that subtle natural glow. You don't need anything crazy. Just eat correctly and your appearance will improve on its own. 3. Grooming. Grooming is one of the fastest ways to look better instantly. When your skin is clean, your hair is fresh, and you smell good, your whole appearance levels up without any extra effort. You should keep a simple routine. Wash your face, moisturize, use sunscreen, keep your hair maintained, trim your nails, and make sure you smell clean. These small habits make your skin look healthier, your face look more put together, and overall make you look sharp and attractive. 4. Sleep. Sleep is one of the most neglected parts. Nowadays, people stay up late for the smallest things, scrolling on their phone, binge watching shows, gaming, or just wasting time without realizing how badly it affects their appearance. When you don't sleep enough, your face becomes dull, your eyes look tired, your skin heals slower, and your hormones get thrown off. Sleep is crucial because it's the time your body repairs your skin, burns fat, recovers muscles, and resets your entire system. Without proper sleep, no amount of skincare, diet, or workouts will show their full results. If you want a real glow up, you need consistent, high-quality sleep. 5. Facial structure. Facial structure improvements take time, but they're powerful when you stay consistent. Mewing works by keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth, which supports the natural growth and positioning of your jaw and mid-face over time. It helps your face stay more lifted and defined instead of collapsing inward from mouth breathing or bad habits. You should also train your chewing muscles by eating harder foods and chewing gum regularly. This mainly strengthens the masseter muscles, which are the thick jaw muscles on the side of your face responsible for jaw definition. When these muscles get stronger, your lower face naturally looks more structured and sharper. Chewing properly and mewing consistently can slowly enhance your facial appearance in a natural and healthy way. If you stay consistent with these 5 simple habits, you'll look better, feel better, and carry yourself with more confidence. But remember, glowing up isn't only about adding good habits. You must also avoid the habits that are ruining your looks. For that, check out this video right here. This channel is focused on your growth. If you're serious about improving yourself, make sure to subscribe. Your glow up starts now.